Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix PlayStation verification code not sending. So first option you want to do is to contact the support chat and ask for an agent to be to the bot. Now you have to wait a little bit, but they will only ask for your serial number which you should provide, and then he will remove or she will remove the verification code. Second option is, if your account is still connected to the PS app, go to settings and disable the verification code, and then change your number if it is needed. Now, for extra measure, add a passkey so they won't ask for a verification code if you still want or if you have not been able to disable the verification code. Just add a passkey. And that's basically it.